So why do many logical and analytical thinkers struggle with career change? It's not because they lack ability. It's because the process itself goes against how they're naturally wired. First, they often prefer certainty. Career change is full of ambiguity. There's no guaranteed outcome. And when you're used to making decisions only after gathering all of the information, stepping into the unknown feels risky. Second, they place high value on logic and under-index on desire. Career decisions require a bit of right brain thinking, imagination, curiosity, and yes, some emotion. Third, analysis paralysis. When faced with a big decision, an analytical mind will do a lot of research, which is important. However, they may seek the perfect decision, which can impede movement. Fourth, they underestimate their transferable strengths. They may overlook strategic abilities underneath, such as systems thinking, pattern recognition, and complex problem solving. And yes, those strengths do translate across industries and roles. And finally, their identity is tied to their expertise. They've spent years becoming the go-to person. Leaving feels like they're relinquishing that role. Going from expert to learner again can be a challenge, even though that is how growth works.